Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing another St. Patrick's themed lunch for you guys. This time I do have a variety of things. I have green Gatorade, it's green apple. These are the bigger size ones because my kids are teenagers. I have some green pears, some fruit roll-ups, some cinnamon apple Nutri-Grain bars, and some late July mild green mojo tortilla chips. I love these tortilla chips, you guys. I also have some celery and pickles. And for their protein, I'm going to use these boneless chicken bites by Farm Rich. They are barbecued. So I'm going to go ahead and chop everything up and prep everything, and then I'll show you guys everything when I'm finished. So to go with their celery, I'm going to give them peanut butter and ranch. Josiah gets ranch because he's allergic to peanut butter, but Naya and Joseph will have peanut butter for their celery. So I'm going to put their chips inside of these wax sandwich paper bags, and they're so cute because they came with these stickers. So I just picked green stickers to go with the St. Patrick's theme and put them on the back of the wax sandwich paper bag. So I followed the directions on the back of the box for the chicken and heated it in the toaster oven. Now I am just putting the barbecue sauce all over it, and then I am going to put the top on this bowl and shake it so that the barbecue sauce is distributed evenly. Now I'm going to add a few pieces to each thermos. Now here's everything that is going to be in their lunch for today. I would like to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.